Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to cook these little steaks I bought from Pete's. There's 3 little chuck steaks. They're boneless. So I've already washed them and patted them dry. So I'm going to show y'all how I season them and air fry them. So let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. I think, let me see, this is the right height. Right there. Okay. First, I don't have any, what's this here, sauce. So, I'm going to use hot sauce. I'm looking for my little bitty measuring spoon. Here it is. Okay, a little bitty measuring spoon. It's the teaspoon. I'm going to start out by putting this on it. Yeah, I'm putting this on it. That's just for seasoning. It ain't gonna make it hot. Of course, I'm gonna use my mustard. Yellow mustard. It may look disgusting right now, but it won't be. Put some of this chicken bouillon powder on it. This is the salt, y'all. Using the Italian seasoning blend. I'll see what I'm doing. No salt in this. I did salt in this lime pepper. I like this even better than the lemon pepper or the orange pepper. Really good flavor. White pepper. Granulated onion. Yes, I'm putting all this on steak. Granulated garlic. And these different color peppercorns. So there's only salt in this and in my bouillon powder. Okay, I took my nails off. I'm going to do them again. Now if I had my press-on nails, I wouldn't do this. With the nails on, I put a glove on. I got some potatoes and some corn on the cob boiling on the stove. So I'm going to air fry. Okay. Using my Borlebbi 10-quart air fryer. Ew. How the steaks look. Look out. How long it take for steak to cook? Come on. No, I like to cook everything at 400 for about, I'll say 12 minutes. Oh, 15 minutes is good. And I'll just check it. Okay. I'll let it do what it do and I'll be back. Okay, the steaks are done. Got 4 minutes left on here, but they're done now. I got some garlic bread toast in this oven. That's done. Unplug it. Which one is it? Oh, it's this one. And this corn and the potatoes are done. And I had some boiled eggs I had boiled the other day. Okay, I'm gonna fix my plate and I'll be back. Okay, here's my dinner, y'all. Piece of garlic toast, boiled egg, steak, potatoes, and a little piece of corn. Okay, y'all, I'm about to get my eat on. I had nothing today. Oh, yes, I did. I had a little piece of cake. Here's my plate. Okay, I'm going to cut the steak. Let y'all know how it tastes or how tender it is. I put barbecue sauce on the steak. But I ain't got no steak sauce. Should be tender. Well seasoned. I'm not going to dip it in the sauce yet. Looks like it's medium well. There's a little bit of pink to it. And that was on the end. Okay. This is seasoned well. It's tender, even though it's chuck steak. You can cook steak in your air fryer. Now I'm going to taste the piece that I'm going to dip in the barbecue sauce. That's what I use. Kraft hickory smoke, slow simmered. This tastes like it got some smoke in it. This is good, y'all. Leave it out for water. Okay, so I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bon appetit. Bye.